Hello, everybody! It's Dark Matter with another exciting video. And in today's exciting video, guys, it's a mail call. I got some mail from my buddy Dean over there at Tomoko's Enterprises. I hope I said that right, Dean. Dean's a good friend of mine, and not too long ago, I made him a set of handles. We made a deal with each other on. He'd send me some silver, I'd send him a couple handles. Well, I got this, oh God, probably a week or two ago, and I've just been busy. I apologize, Dean. I've just been busy trying to get stuff done, and I'm racing the cold weather that's coming pretty soon. The shop will close for the winter, and I won't be able to do much out here, and you guys will be stuck watching me hand carve or some stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do this winter, but yeah. So let's get to it. Now Dean sent me. Oh, okay. Let's see. Figure out how to do this here. Hold on a minute. Alright, I'm back. I had to figure out how to do this, so I didn't show nobody's information. I didn't want anybody's information getting out there. Not without their permission anyway. So anyway, let's get this open and see what Dean sent me. Alright. Beats a knife any day, I'm sorry, but scissors work better than a knife. Alright, let's see what we got here. What's this? Okay. Got whatever this is. I think it's, looks like it might be an ink pen. That's what I'm gonna guess anyway. Ooh. Already getting it covered in dust. Now, sawdust everywhere out here. Okay. Okay, we got two little bags, huh? All right, well, we're going to open these up. Let's see what's in this first. All right. Oh, run out. We've got some cards. Oh, that's a magnet. Check that out. Magnet. Ooh, a certificate of authenticity. It's got a bunch of stuff. A little tiny tiger for fun. Check that out. You can pause that and read it if you want. I got some business cards. Oh, it looks like I got some stickers. Business card. Yep. If you're wanting some silver work done, get a hold of Dean. I got some stickers. Check them stickers out. Yep, at least one of these, Dean, will go up on my sticker board. I'll show that at the end of the video. All right. So we'll put this way out. Hold on, I'll pause you and read this note real quick. That's awesome, Dean. Appreciate the card, man. All the nice words and everything, man. I really appreciate it. Let's open this blue one first. Let's see what's in here. It's a nice little silver bag. I like that. Little velvet bag. It's awesome. Oh, it's a little tiny tiger here. I don't normally like to pull out silver and touch it because it's not good to touch it, but we're gonna. Look at that. I don't know how well you can see it. Little tiny tiger. And it's heavy too for how little it is. It's very cool, Dean. I love that, man. That's very cool. Thank you, brother. I'm going to put it back in this bag. I'll wipe it off real quick. The salts and oils from your hands will tarnish your silver. Not good to touch them. Well, at least I've been told anyway. I don't know. I don't know much about silver, guys, really, to be honest. I know it's pretty. That's pretty. I love that. Thank you again, Dean. That's awesome, brother. I like that. All right, we'll put that right there for now. Let's see what's in the black bag. That one's a lot heavier. Ooh, check this out, guys. Look, oh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it or not, or how well you can see it, but look at the swirls in that silver bar. That is very pretty. That's very cool. Like a raindrop fell in it, and it's, you know how you throw a stone in the lake or something, and it gets all them little ripples. I don't know if you can see them or not. I'm not opening up this. I'm not taking this out of plastic. But yeah, that is very cool. Thank you, Dean. And here's the others. Oh wow, he's got his maker's mark in it. I'll try to get that where everybody can see it. Maker's mark. Very cool. Wow. 99999 999, and up here it's got something too. I'm not sure what that is. My eyes ain't what they used to be, Dean. Very cool. Very, very cool. Very happy. Thank you, Dean. You're an awesome guy, brother, and I'm not sure the handles I made are worth what you sent me, but I sure hope you like them. I'm gonna cut one of these in. I'm gonna cut this end right here and pull this out. See what it looks like. Maybe if I can get it out. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? You got some cool wing pens there, Dean. Check that out. Let's see if we'll get it all in frame. I don't know if you can see that or not. It says tomoko enterprize. I always have trouble with that. I have trouble with saying your channel name, Dean. That is a very cool ink pen. I like that a lot. It's very comfortable. Click pen. That's awesome, Dean. I appreciate it, buddy. And of course, like everything that I get from my friends on YouTube, it gets put up. And I save it for later when at some point I'm no longer able to do videos. I can look back on all the fond memories and things I did with my friends on YouTube. So that's it. I appreciate it, Dean. Thank you so much, man. I'm very happy. Very cool. Wish I wouldn't have got sawdust all over the bags, but it's everywhere out here. And believe it or not, I cleaned the spot. I cleaned the spot for this mail call. So again, thank you, Dean. You're the best, buddy. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you again, everybody, for coming in and watching if you made it this far. And if you like what happens on my channel and you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing for more content like this and much, much more. All right. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out. All right, guys, if you want to go check out my buddy Dean over there at Tomoko's Enterprises, I'd sure appreciate it. The link for his channel will be in the description box below, and there'll also be a link for his channel in the end screen credits at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you had a good time. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side.